In today's video, I'll guide you on how you'd be able to run your daily stand-ups with Linear. So let's get started. So first of all, is that you want to go here into your Linear and log into your account. Once you're here, navigate into your teams and make sure that you have this cycles menu. If you don't have that, you would need to click here on the three dots on the right side of your team name and click on team settings to enable cycle. Click here on cycles and make sure that this is enabled. Once you have enabled this, is that you want to go for each cycles last for 1 week. And then cooldown after each cycle is no cooldown. And then the cycle starts on depending on when you would want the cycle to start. So yeah, just select on when you would like your daily stand-ups to start. And then once you're done, is that you want to go here into number of upcoming cycles to create. Is that you can go for 6 so that you would have 7 in total, including the current one. So once I've set that on 6, we can now go back. And then from here, you'd now be able to see here in these cycles that I have total of 7 cycles. And each of them right here is going for week right here. So in each week, so I get 7 cycles. So you could get as many cycles as you'd want. Actually, it doesn't matter on how many cycles you chose on that last option. And now to go for your daily stand-up, you want to click here on one of the cycles. And from here, you just basically would want to add new issue every day. And you can title it daily stand-up. Like for example, here on daily stand-up, for this one, I could just modify this into daily stand-up Monday. And from here, you can add a description, and then you could also add some people in here that you would want to be mentioned or included into this issue on the cycle. And then this is where you can leave a comment. Like for example, this is where you can do your daily stand-ups, like reflecting on your work or whatsoever. Or you could also provide a meeting link right here if you prefer video chat, like a Zoom link or a Google Meet link. You could provide it here. And basically, if you do another day for a daily stand-up, you can just click and click here on the plus button and create a new issue. And this time you'll be going for daily stand-up Tuesday. So basically, you'll be doing this for each cycle right here. So you'll be doing 7 each for each cycle. And yeah, that's basically it. And then you'll now be able to do your daily stand-ups in here. So when you go back here into cycles, you can do that with the rest of the cycles that you have. And now there are some things that you need to take note of, is that each team in Linear can only have its own cycle schedule. So that means one team equals one cycle timeline. You can't have separate cycles for bugs and features inside the same theme. I mean, inside the same team, and also a separate one for the daily stand-up. So you would have to do this in the issues right here. That is the only way for you to do this here in Linear if you really want to do it in Linear. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to do this on Linear. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.